Alright me guys, Budger in Awunya. You're going to Darkinjung Nura? Well, at least I believe it's Darkinjung Nura. I'm down at Somersby Falls in Somersby on the lower New South Wales Central Coast. I haven't been here before, and as you may be able to hear through the microphone, as soon as you pull up in the car park here, you can hear the water running. So, beautiful looking area, lots of bush turkeys running around. I've counted about 5 so far. We'll have a quick look at the sign here behind me and we'll work out the tracks. According to another sign just over here, it's only about 400 metres to the bottom, but I was just told it's a real killer, so we'll have a look and see how we go. Alrighty, firstly you can see the car park just up the top here. It does say about a parks pass having to be displayed. I'm guessing this is technically National Park, which I think it is. And swinging around behind me here we have a nice big sign here for Somersby Falls. So we are here. And the falls are somewhere. Again, it doesn't seem to be too difficult. Somersby Falls track's 500 medium to difficult. Can be slippery in sections and a bit steep. You can see a photo here under the graffiti of what the falls should look like. So I've been wanting to do this one for a while. So yeah, gonna get down there today. I'm not going to take photos of all of this because there's bloody heaps for you to see. But come down and check it out. So here we have the Somersby Falls. Middle falls, 200 metres, 15 minutes return, grade 3, many steps. Grade 3 normally isn't too hard. I do hate steps though. Bottom falls, 400 metres, 30-minute return, grade 3, many steps, some obstacles. So cliff edges, slippery surfaces, supervised children, fast moving water following rain. One thing I didn't mention guys is just up that side past the car park there are toilets and there's a little picnic area, and just through the trees down here there looks like another little picnic table. So here's the start of the track, let's get moving. Alrighty, so here we are at Top Falls. This is only a very short walk in. Already you can see it's quite beautiful. There's people up the top there, so I'm guessing you can get to it. Don't specifically know what they're doing or if they're even meant to be there. But Top Falls, as I said, very quick walk in. Beautiful fall flowing down there, so I'm guessing that would be Middle Falls where you get to it down there maybe. And then Bottom Falls will be down a bit further. But already that's beautiful. Okay, so quick walk heading down to Middle Falls, and I've noticed a little track pushed off just to the side, so I'm going to have a quick look at that and see what's it down there. Definitely very wet. We have had a bit of rain around here lately. There's another little fall, check this out. Yeah, again very wet, bit slippery, so watch your step. But another little fall here. Oh, already beautiful. Wow, wasn't that beautiful? It is a little bit slippery, but absolutely stunning. If that's a sign of what's to come on this walk, guys, I'm going to be in absolute heaven. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm trying to watch me step. But yeah, if that's a sign of what's to come, I'm going to be in absolute heaven. This looks really amazing. Just a quick one in regard to the dial 000 one there. I do still have 4G here, and emergency channels 000 or 112 actually bring up signal that you wouldn't otherwise have. So if you are, even though your phone might say you've got no signal, emergency numbers normally do work. So here we are at what I think is Middle Falls. There's some people having a swim over there. I don't want to film them. But I do want to get footage of the falls, so I'm going to have to go over there. So here's one. Oh guys, just look at that. How spectacular is that? That is truly amazing. Beautiful. Okay, cliff edge, slippery, blah 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 blah. Trail goes this way. Steps carved out of the sandstone. Still take your time, watch your steps. If you're not real stable on your feet like my missus isn't, maybe have someone down here to help you up and down the stairs. How pretty is that? Okay, so I'm thinking this is the bottom falls down here, and at the moment we have a nice easy pathway to come through. There are a few rocks and sort of tricky obstacles back there, but still not overly difficult. And more steps. I have to say, this is really lovely as you're walking down and you just got the water trickling down over so many different rock platforms. It's quite pretty. And then all the moss and the little ferns and things like that growing around is absolutely gorgeous. Massive cliff face over the top there. Be a big cave there, I'm betting. You're not meant to go up that way, so I'm not. They haven't made a track there. It's been sort of half worn, but still. Okay, water flowing a bit here. Look at that. I hope this isn't blowing up on the camera. How gorgeous is that? And surely you can hear the water flowing on the microphone here. There's a mad hole there that just keeps going. So the water comes down, splashes into that, pulls up, aerates, and then must run through down under the rocks here somewhere. Not too sure where it comes out. I don't think it comes out just here. I think it comes out further around than that. Problem is it's quite wet here now, and this is where it's going to get really slippery, and I don't want to end up on my arse. So this water would be running through under all the rocks, under the walkway and everything, and then coming through out here. Again, you've got this little waterfall here, flowing down into that hole. Just watching me footing here. And you can see there's a little section just in front of that there, where it is coming out, but it's definitely not coming out half as fast as what it's going in. So there's definitely water coming through somewhere else, pushing out that way. Now there's no official track beyond this point, so I kind of don't want to go too far down, simply on the fact that you're not supposed to. So, but how amazing is this? This is really beautiful, guys. Alrighty, time to head back up. So if I can get to that top section, I'm guessing this is it, 400 metres, it's not a lot. Doesn't feel like much, that's for sure. Yeah, time to head back up. See if I can get over onto that top section, have a look. Well guys, that was a lesson learnt the hard way, eh? Really, watch your step when you walk through that water. As you just saw, I went for a bit of a slide. A little bit of a sore knee, but otherwise alright. Funny thing is though, I ended on my arse, and these two guys that I'm about to show you just walked straight fucking up, same way I came down. I bloody wish. It is that slippery in there though. If you do come down here, really be bloody careful. I don't know how the hell they got up there without bailing. But anyway, alright, I'm going to head back up the top and find the top of it now. Alrighty, so here we are back up the top. A little picnic area here. A little table. Seat. Somebody looks like they've got a kid down here. They're playing around in the water here. This is fenced, I don't think you're supposed to be on it, but yeah. So this is at the top of the falls. They don't want you on here, there's not much of a barricade, but still. I'm going to go for a walk up and have a little look. Try not to fall on my ass again. So guys, this is up the top. I did jump over the little fence. Again, you're probably really not supposed to, but I'm sure everybody does. If they really wanted you not to get over here, they would have made it bigger. That's absolutely stunning. Beautiful little spot. I'm not going to go walking through the water. I've already landed on my ass once, so I'll just leave it at that. Head back to the car now, I think, and head home. Well guys, I'm back up at the car park. I'll give you a quick spin around so you can see where the main picnic area is and the toilets, and have a quick look at the car park. But yeah, otherwise, that's it guys. Hope you've enjoyed the walk. It's only a short one. It wasn't a very long walk. Again, if you're going to walk into the water, be real bloody careful because it is bloody slippery. But yeah, it's a really gorgeous walk. Not overly difficult, there's a few steps, not overly long. To be honest, I actually thought it was going to be a lot more than what it is. But yeah, still stunning waterfalls. In all honesty, the bottom ones that I went to, they were nice, but I don't think they had anything on the first main falls that you went to, the middle falls or whatever they're called there. So, alright, I'll give you a quick spin around so you can see the car park, picnic area, toilets, etc. And then I'm going to head home. So, alright guys, take care, peace, and as always, I'll see you on the tracks. Yano. Gobble gobble. Let me guess, people feed them around here.